Welcome to Real Estate Ramblings with Robyn and Sean.
So today on Chuck Talk, we're going to go pick up Jennifer Baker. She's going to get us to the right size for living.
And now we're going to welcome Jennifer Baker to the truck from Right Size Living.
Hi, Jen.
Hi, Sean.
Jennifer.
Hi, Robyn. Thanks for having me. I am so excited to be here.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us. So tell us a little bit about your business. You have helped one of our clients just recently.
I have. Yep.
So
my
we're
company's
very
called Right Size Living,
Mhm.
and we help people right size. So we can basically right size anyone. We primarily work with seniors.
Okay.
And we help them with the transition of them living in their homes 30, 40, 50 years. They have a lot of stuff they've accumulated, and what do they do with that stuff?
Yep.
How do they go about it? We pride ourselves on three major things. We say we are safe, seamless, and stress-free. So we are able to help our senior clients in a variety of ways.
Yep.
One of the ways is we go in, we meet with them, we do a one-on-one consultation, and we find out where they're going.
Yep.
And then we work with them on a floor plan. Hey, what's your wish list? What's going to fit? What's not going to fit? And then
Right.
we have a group of professional packers. So we pack for them. We
Yep.
coordinate all of the vendors. We are insured. We also coordinate only insured and vetted vendors that will help them during the move, such as movers, realtors, attorneys. If they need a contractor for any reason for upgrading their homes before they sell that, we have the resources to do that. We pride ourselves on that. So after we pack them, we meet the movers on move day, and then we unpack them. We have a team waiting at the new location, and our team unpacks them. By 3 o'clock that day, we
Wow.
give them a call. They come in. Everything is done. Their beds are made, their towels
Wow.
are hung,
That's great.
food is in the refrigerator, boxes are gone. So they love it, and they're very happy with the process. And
Can you do my house on a weekly basis?
No, what's great about it is, it's very daunting for somebody who is in, maybe a little bit older, has lived in their house for 40 years. And we did have a client who was not feeling well, and he just didn't know where to start. They just didn't know how the process was in terms of getting all of the stuff out of the house and moving to that next home.
Right, so it's very emotional.
Yes.
There's
Yeah.
a lot of emotions we're dealing with. It's extremely stressful. Physically, some of them find it difficult to, maneuver, items in their basement or their attic or whatever
Right.
it is. There is a real syndrome called relocation syndrome. It's really prevalent with the elderly, and they sometimes, can have health issues because of the stress,
Yep.
forget to take their meds or whatever, but we're there the entire way from start to finish. We work with them seamlessly so that this transition will be peaceful and really create, for their new location, a joy, and we want to be able to do that. After the unpack, we go back to their homes and we do a profitable disposal. So again, we're able to connect our clients with vendors that different buyers, consignment, online auctions, based on
Wow.
what they have
Yep.
for that's saleable.
Yep.
And what's not saleable, we'll coordinate several different donation companies.
Great.
And lastly, we do the trash clean out. So
That's
we're able
great.
to really prepare the home for
Wow.
sale and empty the home as well.
And the grounds too. You also took care of a barn for us as well. So
Yeah.
that was
We
fantastic.
We did take care of that
That's
barn.
great.
Oh, yeah.
So I love your motto here. Happiness just doesn't have just one address. So
Right.
it's
That's-
really great. So personalized for your perfect move. So thank you so much for joining us today and for getting this information.
Thanks for
and-
having me.
Yeah,
we work with
appreciate it.
every person, every budget, every style, and they can select, a menu of items that we do offer. So thanks for having us.
Great. We'll
Jennifer, thank you so much.
get your contact information up, and remember, right size living for your next move.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, guys.